If you're unable to open apps on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just go to the connection section and make sure that you're either connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile network. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. For that, just go to settings, then tap on general. Under general, just tap on iPhone storage, and from here just make sure that you have storage on your iPhone. Now if the storage is full on your iPhone, just delete any photos, videos or apps which you no longer need. Or you can back up your data to the iCloud or to your computer, then just delete all the photos and videos from your iPhone to free up some storage for the apps on your iPhone to be able to work properly. Now if you have done that, but if this also did not fix your issue, then for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go back to settings, and in the main settings page, just tap on screen time. Under the screen time settings, just tap on content and privacy restrictions, then tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. From here, just tap on Apps. Now in front of age rating, if it is on don't allow or on a very low age, just select the maximum age, which is in our case 18 plus, or select unrated. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. As you can see, this setting fixed our issue. But if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back, and under the content and privacy restrictions, just disable content and privacy restrictions. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental control settings of your iPhone. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this issue is just with a single app or with a few apps, then just update the apps which are not opening. For that, just tap on the App Store, then tap on your profile icon. Now just tap on Apps, and from here just check that the app has a software update available or not. If the app has a software update available, just tap on Update and update the app. Just like that. But if you have updated the apps and if this also did not fix your issue, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go back and under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now, this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the apps are not opening problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.